In this video, we are going to help your YouTube thumbnail stand out from the crowd, and we'll use Canva AI to do it. If your thumbnail doesn't scream the loudest on the search page, it won't get clicked. It doesn't matter how amazing that video is. If it doesn't grab attention in the search, it won't get watched. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Canva AI icon, or use the purple Canva AI button under What Will You Design Today? At the bottom, you'll see options like Design for Me, Create an Image, Draft a Doc, Code for Me, and Create a Video Clip. For thumbnails, we're going to use Design for Me. Once it opens, you'll see a list of options like social media, presentations, marketing, cards and invitations, and logos. Click on social media and, when open, click Format, then click on YouTube Thumbnail. Next, you will see the prompt box. Inside it, you will see the Add Media button, which lets you upload media from your Uploads folder or Design folder, a microphone if you want to speak instead of type, and the purple Submit arrow. Underneath, you'll notice Canva's suggested prompts. Scroll through them if you'd like inspiration, but if nothing grabs you, head back to the prompt box. To get started, remember this: the more detailed your prompt, the better Canva AI performs. You can't overdo it. Start general if you like, then refine as you go. For this tutorial, here's a simple prompt. Create a bold YouTube thumbnail about Canva AI tutorials. Use bright colors and Anton font. Fonts should be in white or yellow. Make it a clean, modern design, and leave space for a photo or graphic of a person. Keep it uncluttered so the message is clear at first glance. Click the purple arrow and Canva AI will generate designs for you. You'll get 4 to start. Click each to preview larger. Look for high contrast designs, dark and light colors that pop, and text that's simple and easy to read, even on a phone screen. If none feel right, generate 4 more until you see something workable. Once you've found one, send it to the editor. Here, you can swap in your video title or main keyword, add your face with Canva's background remover, change background colors to match your branding. Drop in icons, arrows, or shapes to highlight key parts. But remember, less is more with thumbnails. Big text, bold colors, and fewer words always win. For extra punch, try adding a colored shape or gradient behind your text. This is the stage where you take Canva AI's draft and make it unmistakably yours. When you're happy, rename your thumbnail before downloading. Click Share, then Download, then PNG for the best quality. You may want to consider also sharing your thumbnail as a template for future use. I do, and that way I don't have to create it from scratch every time. With it as a template, I can just basically change my title and go. Next step is to upload the thumbnail inside YouTube Studio. And just like that, you've created a professional-looking, clickable thumbnail in minutes. Just type, click, and customize. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. I've linked my other Canva AI tutorials in the description and at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.